you're encountering the Roblox Cloud Save error 2026, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saving. Step 2. Restart Roblox. Close the Roblox application completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Clear cache. Clear the cache of your browser or the Roblox application. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that might be causing the error. Step 4. Update Roblox. Make sure you are using the latest version of Roblox. Check for updates in the App Store or on the Roblox website and install any available updates. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Roblox support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any steps you have already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate the Cloud Save error 2026. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the Roblox community or support team.